Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Expert Computer Tech. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon to get more tech and tricks video updates. Thank you. Hello friend, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you how to change Facebook profile name, means how to change your name on Facebook profile. So before going further, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start. I will take you to my mobile screen and here we need to open Facebook app. So what we need to do, we need to click on three lines from the right top corner here, and then we need to click on settings and privacy, and under settings and privacy we need to click on settings. Under settings we need to click on personal and account information, and then here it's showing our name, like it's saying personal and account information, and then it's saying name. We need to simply click on the name, and here we can change the name. If I edit it, I can edit it, like I can type here anything. And then we need, if we have any middle name, middle initial, so we can put the middle name here, and then we can put your our last name, and then simply click on review and change. But make sure you know, before changing the Facebook name, you cannot change your Facebook name before 60 days. You can see here it's saying, please note, if you change your name on Facebook or Instagram, you cannot change it again for 60 days. There, make sure you are putting everything correct. Okay, then only click on review and change. Once you will click on review and change, it will ask for your password. Okay, here you need to put your password. Once you will put your password, then it will say save changes. Click on save changes, it will change your Facebook profile name. So I don't want to change my name because my name is correct here. So this is the way how you can change your profile name on your Facebook. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to get new update. Thank you.